Hey everyone, hello and welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to compare two of the most popular IT service management platform. These are ServiceNow and the Jira Service Management. Now, many companies today need ITSM platforms because they help to manage IT requests, incident and services. But the big question is, which one is better, ServiceNow or Jira Service Management? Let's find out. But before we start, let me remind you, in the description I have added links where you can always check the latest details, updated information and also the best deals for these platforms. If you are considering ServiceNow or Jira Service Management, make sure to check the description after watching this video. Now let's start with ServiceNow. ServiceNow is one of the leaders in ITSM. Now it is used by many large enterprises all over the world. It has every advanced feature for incident management, changes management, knowledge base and workflow. ServiceNow can also connect with many other enterprise tools and making it complete system. Another big strength is automation. With ServiceNow, many IT tasks can be automated, which saves time for IT teams. But one thing to note is that ServiceNow can be expensive and complex. It is usually best for large organizations with many IT needs. Now let's look at Jira Service Management. Jira Service Management is part of the Atlassian ecosystem, the same company that makes Jira software. It is very popular with IT teams and also with developer optimization systems. The interface is very modern and it's very easy to use, and it integrates very well with other Atlassian tools like Confluence and Bitbucket. So Jira Service Management is also more affordable compared to ServiceNow, and it is good for medium-sized businesses or teams that already use Jira. And it gives you ITSM features like ticketing, incident management and changes request, but in a more simple way. So which one is the best in ITSM platform? If you are a large enterprise with thousands of employees and a very complex IT process, then ServiceNow is the strongest option. But if you are a mid-sized business or if your team already uses Atlassian tools, like Jira Service Management in this case is a better fit because it is easier and more cheaper. So that is the video, and that was the comparison between ServiceNow and Jira Service Management. So just check the description for the official details and the official latest update. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.